Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to clear cache on Android. Boost performance in minutes. If you still experience problems after you clear your system cache and browser cache, you may have to clean up your Android phone another way. If the problems persist, check for and remove any viruses or Android ransomware that may be infecting your device. Clearing phone cache is easy on Android. The temporary files stored in your app cache are a great place to start. Here's how to clear your app cache on Android. First, open Settings on your Android device and tap Battery and Device Care. Step 2. Tap Memory, followed by Apps not used recently. Select an app from the list. Search through the app list to clear your TikTok cache, Facebook cache, or even your Instagram cache or Lazada cache. After tapping a particular app, select Storage within App Info. Then, tap Clear Cache at the bottom of the screen. Clearing the cache on your social media apps gets rid of temporary files such as like photos or half-watched videos. So, unless you need to reference this data, it's fine to delete it. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.